Have you ever wondered where the creamy butter on your toast comes from? The journey of butter begins far before it reaches your kitchen table. Today, we're diving into the fascinating process of butter production, from happy cows grazing in the fields to the smooth, golden butter we spread on our bread. Get ready for some fun surprises and little-known facts that will change the way you look at butter forever. From the cow's special diet to the unique way we churn the cream, let's take a closer look at how this delicious treat is made. Stick around, the process is a lot more interesting than you might think. The butter production process starts with healthy cows raised on lush green pastures. These cows are fed a balanced diet to ensure high-quality milk for making butter. Each cow is carefully monitored to ensure the best milk production, optimizing the taste and richness of the butter. Once the milk is collected, it is quickly transported to the factory, where it's checked for quality. The fresh milk is then stored in large tanks until it's ready to be processed. The milk is kept cool throughout the transport process to preserve its natural nutrients and ensure the best butter quality. At the factory, the fresh milk is separated into cream and skim milk using modern centrifuges. The cream is the key ingredient for making rich, creamy butter. The cream is stored and prepared for the next step, ensuring that only the best part of the milk is used in butter production. The cream is then transferred to large churning machines, where it's whipped vigorously. This process separates the butter fat from the buttermilk, forming the soft, spreadable butter. As the cream churns, it gradually transforms into golden, smooth butter, with the buttermilk separated and drained off. After churning, the butter is washed with cold water to remove any remaining buttermilk. The water flows evenly over the butter, leaving it smooth, golden, and free of impurities. The butter is then processed through a mixing machine to ensure a creamy, silky texture. It's collected in containers, ready to be packaged and sealed for freshness. Once the butter is ready, it's carefully molded into blocks or packed into containers. The butter is then sealed to preserve its freshness and rich flavor. Each package is inspected to ensure there are no defects, and the butter is ready for distribution. Before the butter reaches the shelves, it undergoes a final quality check to ensure it meets the highest standards. Each jar is checked for consistency and freshness. Only the finest butter is packaged and shipped out, ensuring customers get the best quality butter every time. From happy cows to creamy butter, every step is done with care and precision. Smooth, golden butter, ready to spread and make your meals even better. What food should we make next? Comment below and let us know.